On October 29th, a deadly storm transformed the vibrant landscapes of Valencia, eastern Spain into scenes of devastation. Over 200 lives have been lost, with many still unaccounted for, in what has become one of Spain's deadliest floods in nearly 50 years. After a long drought, residents welcomed the rain with open arms, but the mood quickly changed as the hours passed. Meteorologists reported that a year's worth of rain fell over Valencia in just 8 hours, triggering catastrophic flash floods across eastern and southern Spain. This clip here shows thousands of people evacuating, taking what little possessions they have with them.
Allí la cantidad de gente que llega un río de gente hoy festivo aquí en España y todo el mundo yendo a ayudar.
Some areas of the city have been completely isolated and barricaded by hundreds of cars swept through by the floods. You can see the power of the floods taking everything away in its path. Cars and vans pushed along the road like toys. Billions of pounds of damage has been caused to infrastructure. Some areas are still 10 foot underwater.
Mira, se acaba de derrumbar esa casa, tío, esa pared.
Mira.
El pantano se habrá lleno.
Mira que crecía, papa, mira que crecía. ¿Tú crees que esto es normal? Mira, mira la calle, el médico. Mira la calle como va para abajo, de agua.
Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.